welcome back to my channel. It's been a really long time since I posted anything, but it's because I've been away from home for 6 months. I just got back from the Himalayas and Maui, and it was really life-changing. And if you would like to know more about what I do overseas and why I travel, you can follow my Instagram and talk a lot about it on there. And you can also send me a message if you would like to, and I love to share what I'm passionate about. Today's video is a hair tutorial on how to do this Milkmaid braid, and this video is actually really special to me because while we were in the Himalayas, we were teaching English at this one school, and I had done my hair like this one day, and some of the really sweet girls in our classroom, they found out that I have a YouTube channel, and they asked me to do a video teaching them how I did my hair that day. They've been waiting for this for a long time because I promised it to them a really long time ago, but I'm finally home and I finally have time to do it, and so here it is. I have a short video of that day in the classroom. My friend Tommy took it. It's just a few seconds long showing the class and kind of what we were doing there, and so just so you can see, I will insert the video right here.
Alright, what's going on? I'm here in Nepal, loving on some people, singing songs, teaching them. Here's my homies over here. Whoa! Up here, come say hi. Whoa! Hey! In the back. So those are my homies. We've been singing music. Here's Condor, JC. They both got YouTube channels. We'll subscribe to them later. I love my fans. I love my people. I can't wait to tell you guys what's going on later. We out.
So if anyone from that classroom is watching this right now, I love you guys, I miss you, and I miss your country. So now I'll show you how I did my hair.
Before we start, this is what your finished Milkmaid braid will look like. After you've brushed out your hair, you're going to part it on one side, and then you'll take a section of hair right by the part and make it into 3 smaller sections so you can start your braid. Now we're not doing a normal braid where you take the side and cross it over the middle, but we're doing a Dutch braid where you're placing the side underneath the middle. If you've never done a Dutch braid before, I'd suggest watching another video on how to do it before you continue with this one. So before you cross that section underneath again, you're just going to take a small section of hair and add it to that one. And you'll do the same thing on the other side. You're just going to add hair to that section before you braid it in. And this is the pattern that you're going to do for the rest of the hairstyle. You're just going to braid all the way around your head and keep adding sections every time you cross one underneath. You want to make sure that you're keeping your braid as close to your hairline as you can and also pulling it fairly tight. You'll also get to a point behind your head where you can't position your hands exactly the same, and so you're probably going to have to switch your braid from one hand into the other, which can be a little bit tricky. Once you've gathered all of your hair into one braid, you're just going to keep braiding it until the end, and at least in the beginning, try to braid sort of upwards so that once you pin down your braid, there isn't a lump. Now I just pull out all the little sections of my braid so that it looks big and pretty and full of volume. Next, take a handful of bobby pins, and you'll take the end of your braid and tuck it into the beginning part, and you're just going to pin that down, and you can kind of hide your bobby pins underneath the braid. I also like to pull out some strands on the side just to make it look more wispy. Now I'm just taking some more bobby pins and securing the braid down in different spots so that it doesn't fall out. And that's it.
Thank you so much for watching this. If you have any other suggestions of videos you'd like me to do, please comment them and have a great day.